The Type 8 bungalow, located on APJ Abdul Kalam Road in Delhi, has been allotted to BSP Supremo Mayawati. According to rules, as the president of a national party, she was entitled to a lower grade accommodation, that is, a Type 6 or Type 7 bungalow. In political circles, there is speculation that ahead of the Uttar Pradesh Assembly elections, something is brewing between the BJP and Mayawati. Is this bungalow a result of that?
2025 मई में मायावती ने लोधी स्टेट का बंगला नंबर 35 खाली किया। उन्होंने वजह बताई कि पास ही में एक स्कूल है जिसकी वजह से उनको दिक्कत होती है, लेकिन हमारे सूत्रों ने बताया कि ये बंगला उनसे खाली करवाया गया था। दरअसल हाउसिंग अर्बन मिनिस्ट्री ने उनसे कहा कि उनके पास 2 बंगले हैं, इसलिए उन्हें ये बंगला खाली करना पड़ेगा।
To understand what is happening between the BSP and BJP, we need to go back to the 2024 Lok Sabha elections. At that time, Mayawati was attacking the Samajwadi Party, but was relatively soft on the BJP. However, her nephew and BSP national coordinator Akash Anand was making sharp statements against the BJP.
जहां जनता फ्री राशन के नाम पे गुलाम बना दी जाए, ऐसी सरकार आतंकवादियों की सरकार होती है।
After this statement, Mayawati took action and removed Anand from his post. Posting on X, she wrote,
Akash Anand has been removed from the post. He still needs time to fully mature.
Later, Akash apologized to Mayawati and was reinstated in the party. On the question of what is going on between the BSP and BJP, a party leader told Bhaskar, during the Lok Sabha elections, we were restrained from making sharp statements against the BJP. We were told to make only political remarks. We were instructed not to question BJP's nationalism or call it communal.
5 महीने के भीतर ही 9 अक्टूबर 2025 में मायावती ने एक विशाल रैली लखनऊ में आयोजित। इसमें उन्होंने सपा और बसपा को जमकर लताड़ा, लेकिन भाजपा पर नरम रुख रखा। उसके खिलाफ एक भी बयान नहीं दिए, उल्टा योगी जी को यानी कि यूपी के सीएम को शुक्रिया कहा।
उत्तर प्रदेश के मुख्यमंत्री जी को ये कहा, हमारी पार्टी उनकी आभारी है।
Regarding Mayawati's message in the rally, a party leader said Mayawati will send a message to her voters that her direct fight is with the Samajwadi Party. She also has a watchful eye on the Congress. Before the assembly elections, we are going door to door. On the other hand, it is being said that the RSS is helping prepare BSP's election strategy. An RSS functionary told us off camera. The doors of the RSS are open to everyone. This time, the BSP is reaching out to voters door to door. The BSP Supremo herself will visit every division in UP and stay overnight there. From March, Mayawati will begin this campaign. Meetings and public gatherings will be held in these divisions. Is the bungalow allotted to Mayawati part of a strategy? On this, an official from the Housing and Urban Ministry said, a bungalow can be allotted under special recommendation. It is possible that no Type 7 bungalow was vacant. Therefore, a Type 8 was allotted. It is being said that after renovation, Mayawati will inspect the bungalow and then move in. Bhaskar report.
भाजपा सरकार के मंत्रालय ने 5 महीने पहले उनसे एक बंगला खाली करवाया और 5 महीने के भीतर ही वो उसी के सीएम को शुक्रिया अदा करती हैं। इसके मायने क्या है? 3 महीने के भीतर ही भाजपा ने भी इस शुक्रिया का आभार व्यक्त कर दिया। संध्या द्विवेदी, दैनिक भास्कर, दिल्ली।